Lake Tahoe, one of the world's natural wonders. Spanning California and Nevada, each side of the lake is almost as different as the states themselves. Hi, I'm Jackie Ginley with Chase International Real Estate. Welcome to the East Shore, with its boulder-strewn shoreline and trademark turquoise waters. This home, in the coveted Skyland neighborhood of Zephyr Cove, offers the best of the Nevada lifestyle with an unmatched flair for the contemporary. The minute you walk in the front door here, you know you're in for something special. This home is all about flow. Corner niches surround the entry to showcase your favorite art, with big blue views of Lake Tahoe that will make you feel like you're right on the water. Just follow the views toward the expanse of Lake Tahoe that is your backyard. Massive granite boulders and the boats moored in the cove frame that setting beautifully. Lake Tahoe takes center stage in this home, and the very private cove on which it's set offers shallow, warm, turquoise blue waters and an unmatched launching off point for exploring the lake by boat. There's just really nothing like Skyland. The home is flawless perfection, and the main living area of the home is designed with that in mind. With an eye toward entertaining, the kitchen flows nicely with the great room. A built-in dining nook comfortably seats a crowd. Glass and steel combined with wood and stone to create a living room that you will never want to leave. Wall-to-ceiling windows showcase the changing patina of light over the lake, stretching from Cave Rock to the north to the expanse of the West Shore. The elegant Galley kitchen features high-end appliances and a raised bar counter for open entertaining, inviting owners and guests to enjoy the lake from every angle. With a flair for the whimsical, this is contemporary design at its best. Check out the splash of turquoise glass tile on the bar, reflecting the waters outside, or the 3D bathroom tiles that feel like they're straight out of an art show. Every room is a sensual delight. An office in the loft offers an eagle's nest view across Lake Tahoe that will keep you glued to your desk all day. The second story also features a rec room that plays like a second den, with its own fireplace, a game space, and a stone wall of art that smacks of Escher with its geometric intricacies. Elegant barn doors separate the upstairs den from a junior master, graced by cathedral ceilings and skylights. Rustic wood combines with bronze fixtures and perfectly placed lighting to make this space one of the coziest in the house. The bath features herringbone marble floor tiles and a super deep sunken tub with a skylight overhead to gaze at the night sky. A guest bedroom on the second story features a beautiful view from across the bay with its own private balcony to enjoy your morning coffee. For more information about this beautiful property, please contact me, Jackie Ginley, at 775-391-9443.